Toothpaste Adventures, a fresh start. The story about embark on a fun and educational journey with Max as he turns his daily routine of brushing his teeth into an exciting adventure. This story, perfect for beginner English learners, combines simple vocabulary with a playful narrative that encourages good habits and English language development. Max had always found brushing his teeth a little boring. Every morning and night, he would stand in front of the bathroom mirror, moving his toothbrush up and down, left and right. But today, Max decided it was time to make brushing his teeth more fun, an adventure. As soon as Max entered the bathroom, he imagined himself as a brave explorer. His toothbrush was no longer just a toothbrush, it was his trusty tool for battling plaque and germs. The sink was his base of operations, and the mirror was his map, showing him where he needed to clean. Max squeezed a dollop of toothpaste onto his brush. The minty scent filled the air, making him feel ready for action. Time to fight those pesky germs, he thought as he brought the brush to his teeth. He started brushing, pretending that each tooth was a mountain that needed to be climbed. Up the mountain, down the mountain. Max's toothbrush moved swiftly and carefully. He made sure to brush every tooth, not missing a single spot. As he brushed, Max imagined the germs trying to hide, but his toothbrush was too quick for them. "You can't escape from me," he thought, smiling as he watched the foam build up in the mirror. He brushed in circles, reaching every corner of his mouth. When Max got to his molars, he imagined them as giant boulders that needed extra attention. He brushed back and forth, making sure they were squeaky clean. "Got you," he said triumphantly as he finished brushing his last tooth. After 2 minutes of intense brushing, Max spat out the toothpaste and rinsed his mouth with water. The cool water washed away the foam, leaving his mouth feeling fresh and clean. He looked in the mirror and smiled, proud of his work. His teeth sparkled in the light, and Max couldn't help but grin. That was the best brushing ever, he thought. It didn't feel boring at all. In fact, it felt like he had just completed a great adventure. Max rinsed off his toothbrush and placed it back in its holder. He couldn't wait to brush his teeth again tomorrow. From now on, brushing his teeth would be his favorite part of the day, an exciting mission to keep his teeth strong and healthy. As Max left the bathroom, he felt a sense of accomplishment. He had turned a simple task into something fun and rewarding. Who knew brushing your teeth could be such an adventure? He thought with a smile. That night, when it was time for bed, Max looked forward to his next mission. He knew that brushing his teeth would no longer be boring. It would be an adventure he would enjoy every day. And so, with clean teeth and a happy heart, Max snuggled into bed, ready to dream about his next big adventure, whatever that might be.